20.
Belt tight.
Yep. Ready, 10, 30, left 4, short, kink right, into left 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 30, left 4, short, kink right, into left 5 over crest, right 5, crest into right 5. There's another. This is your left 5 over. No, fuck. See, how the fuck? Crest into right 5. All right. Crest, 30. Caution, right 4. Long, narrow. Left 3 long. And hole, right 3. Crest into left 3. And slippy right 3, caution. Yeah, so this is your left 3. And caution, slippy right 3, repeating. 40, left 2, very rough. Into right 4. Into left 3. 50, right 4. Double caution, crest, tightens 3. Oh shit, slipping. My bad. 30, left 4. Woo. Right 4, opens 5. And left 5. 30, caution, left 3 minus late. Right 5. Bars, right 4. Here's your right 5. Oh, that's 4. Yep, bars 4. 40, left into right 5. And left 5. Ah, shit, and right 3.
Left 5, right 3.
Yep. 40. Caution, double bars into right 4. Left 3, sorry, opens 5. Here's your bar, don't jump. Into right 4, don't cut. I got it, I don't see anything. Just keep going. Right 3, late. Left 2, don't jump. Right 3, I still don't see you. All right, you got to hit your okay. They're okay. This is right 3, 30. Don't jump. Right 5. Double caution. Yep. Left 5. Opens, tightens, slippy. Left. Here's your tightens. Yep. Left 4.
This is open, tighten, slippy.
Yep. This is left. Okay. Gotcha. There's a left 4 and then a left 5. There's a left 4. Here's your left 5, maybe.
Left 4.
Left 4. Left 5. Rough. Right 5. Through gate. Through gate. Left 3 minus. 100. Right 5. Tightens 4. Left 6. Rough. Kink, yeah, left 6 rough. Kink into right 4 minus. Left 3. Double caution, drop, right 2 minus. Water bar at exit. Right 5. Left 5 bar. Right 5 tightens 3. 50. Right 3 short, caution. Into left 2, don't cut. That's here. There's your right 3 caution. Short, into left 2, don't cut. Yep, I know you got it, I'm sorry. Loose, right 5. 40. Left 4. Right 4, into left 1. Into caution, right 2. Left 2. Left 6. Right 3, don't cut. Opens 5, tightens 4 over crest. Left 3, opens 4. Right 6, tightens 2 minus. Left 3. Caution, cobble, right 2, loose. Left 2. Right into left 2. 60. Right 5. And left 5. Caution, right 2. Left 3. And right 3 opens. 40. Right 3 opens long. Loose. Left 3 opens 4. Left 5 into double caution, right 3 down at delta. And left 3 through gate at exit. Caution. 50. Left 4 long. Right 5. Left 5. And right 2. Right 4 over crest. Then a caution, kink left right into left 2. Bars.
Got it, bars.
50. Right 4. Left 4. Right 5 over crest. And left into right 4. What is it? I don't. Oh, push to pass. Is there somebody behind you?
Yeah.
All right.
Left into right 4. Left right.
I don't know. I'm lost now.
Open tightens or something.
Left 3 opens tightens 4 long. You got a left 2 coming up. And right 4 bars. Watch for rocks. Okay, here's your triple caution. Right 1 down, maybe.
Yep.
Left 4 tightens 3 minus over crest. Yeah, left 4, 3, tightens 3 minus over crest? No, this is right 1 long. Got it. Fuck, I'm lost.
Okay. Right 1 long.
Right 1 long, 40. Deceptive left 2. And right 4. Left into right 3. Triple caution, right 2. Kinks 100. Left 3. 50, right 5, 40, left 5, right 4. Left 3 and right 3, 100. Caution, bars into left 3 minus. Left caution, left 3 through narrow gate. 50, hairpin right, up. Over crest, right 5. Left 5 over crest. Keep in. On this left 5, keep in. 30. Left 4, don't cut. Left 5. 30, hairpin right. Up. $50, left 2. And keep out, right 4 long. Left 5 minus. 30. Right 5. Left 5. 50. Left 5 long. Right 4, 50, right 4, double caution, keep out, left 4 long. Keep out, yep. Right 2, left 4, kinks 120, crest into right 5 minus. I think that's what you said. Crest into right 5 minus. Left 4, keep in. Kinks 80. Triple caution, right 4 short. Here's your right triple caution, right 4 short. Left right chicane over crest. Oh, maybe not. Where is it at? Right 3. Here's your left right chicane over crest, right 3. Then left 2. And right 1.
This is right 3.
Okay, right 3. Here's your left 2. Keep left. And right 1. Double caution, left 4. Right 4, over crest into hairpin left. Left 5. Kinks 50. Right 3. Double caution, right 3, left 4, right 3.
Third double caution.
50, left 2. Oh yeah. Okay. This is the right 3. 50, left 2. Kinks 50. Oh yeah, sorry. Kinks 50. Triple caution, right 2 down long into hairpin left. Here's your hairpin left. Ooh, God, that was a big rock. Right 4, tightens. Right 4 off camber, tightens 2. Into left 2. Caution. Right 4 long. Left 1 long. 40, right 6. Kink right over 100. Caution, right into left 4. That's a right into left 4. Yep. Push to pass again. 60 right 4 off camber into left 3. Into off camber left 3. Yep. Triple caution. Here's your left 3. Triple caution right 4 off camber. Right 6 over crest. Left 6. You can come over more. There. Yeah, right 6, right 5, left 6. Right 4 minus. That's probably this right here. Left 5. Right 4. Left 2 long. Right 3 long. Kink right over 80. Left 5. Triple caution, right 5, tightens 4.
Triple caution.
Triple caution, pothole, double. Keep left, into right 3 minus. There's a pothole. All right. Keep left. No. I overfinished. I didn't start my watch, so I guess it doesn't matter. All right. That was the left 3 overfinish, so I was a little off.
No, you were good. You missed one.
Huh?
You were good.
Okay.
It's dusty.
Yeah.
Even though we had the vents closed the whole. Well, definitely took it cautiously.
Yep. And I appreciates that.
Yep, me too. That was fast enough for me.
Thank you.
Yep. Oh, it's hot. Go ahead, gasket.